Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can earn up to 20% monthly from the Forex market, okay? And also you can earn up to 5% weekly, okay, from this Forex market that a whole lot of people are making money from, okay? So don't worry, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can start earning this amount of money from Forex trading, okay? Now, you and I know that Forex trading for some it's just like a magic, like you take a buy and suddenly the market start going for a sell. You take a sell and the market start going for a buy. Now there are some people that are very good at trading the Forex market. They perfect their art in trading the Forex market. So they are giving people opportunity to actually earn from the Forex market, even if you don't know how to trade yourself, okay? That is where this company comes in. The name of the company is called ICX 101, okay? Now, as you can see on my dashboard, you can see the company giving out different trade calls on crypto and also on Forex, okay? So what this company actually do is this. They help you to trade the Forex market. Then at the end of every week, they give you up to 5% of your total amount of investment, okay? Now, you might want to ask me, this is not, what kind of trading is this? This is not AI kind of trading, or are people actually telling you that they trade where they don't even trade, okay? So I'm going to be showing you every details you need to know about this company before you put in your hard-earned money, okay? Like if I go to the dashboard, I myself presently am in this particular business of Forex trading, and I'm actually making up to 5% of my total investment every week from this particular website. And let me quickly show you. I'm so sorry, my internet seems to be a bit slow because it's raining where I am presently now. As you can see, my current package on this particular project is $1,000, okay? I actually did $1,000 and I've been getting up to that 5% of my total investment every week. Let me quickly go to my withdrawal and I'm going to show you that I've been withdrawing from this website. This website is legit. You can see since August, okay, that I actually started this project, okay. You can see since August I've been withdrawing. You can see I withdrew $288, $80, $70. Even this November 6th, this very month that we are in, you can see I just withdrew $76 and you can see it is approved there, okay. So first and foremost, let me show you that this company actually trade. So let's go to my FS book. If you know my FS book, it's a website that actually show you the trade indices or the trade history of an individual or a company, okay? So if you want to know if a company actually trade the Forex market, if they told you that they trade, or an individual tells you that he or she trades the Forex market, and you want to confirm if this person truly trade, ask the person to give you their FX book accounts name so that you go check, okay? So like I rightly told you here, you can see this is ICS 101. You can see the website ICS 101. So I want to go to this my FS book to check if these guys actually trade, okay? So we are going to type in the name of the company here, ICX 101, okay? So you can see this is the name of the website. So we're going to click on it. So after click on it, this website is going to show you their trade volume, their performances, everything you need to know about the company performances in trading, okay? So you can see this is the name of the company, ICS 101. Now, if you come here, you can see their progression, okay? Sorry about that. You can see their progression, okay? Since June that they started, that they incorporated their account to my FS book. Since June, you can see they've been going up. You can see the trend. You can see that they've been going up. You can see they've been going up. So let's go down and see a whole lot of things. Okay, you can see ICS 101. They've gained 80.02% since they actually started trading the Forex market, okay? Now, that's not all. We're still going to learn more about this company. So we're going to click on this ICS 101 here. So we want to get more information from this company. So that will determine if it is something that worth putting our money in or not, okay? So you're going to come down here, you see, you can see how much the company actually deposited. The company deposited $3 million into their trading accounts. They deposited $3 million into their trading accounts. And if you come up here, you're going to see that presently their balance is, you can see their balance here. Let me quickly okay. So you can see their balance here. Their balance presently is $5.1 million here. Okay. Now, if you come down here, you look at their profit here. Look at their profit here. You can see that their profit is $2.1 million. Okay. So that goes to tell you that they've actually made profit of over $2 million since they incorporated their account to FS Book to show their investors that they're actually trading and making profit. They've made over $2 million since that June. Okay. So you can see that these guys actually trade. Now, if you come up here, if you come up here, you check here, all these charts you see here is your trade performances. Okay, all those green you see here, it means that they made profit. Now, if you see red, like this red here, okay, this red means that they made loss. This red means they made that. This green means that they made profit. Okay, so if you come down also, you get to see so many other information about the company. You can see in the month of June that they started, they made 15.0%. In the month of July, you can see they made 19.99%, which is almost 20%. You can see in August they made 60. So they keep making profit. Okay, these guys are professionals in their field when it comes to trading. Okay, it is the profit they make from here that they use to pay people up to that 5%. So let me quickly show you something in their trading pack. If you come up here, you can see different packages that they have. They have Pro 20, which is $20. So you can start with even $20. They have $40, you have $100. Okay, they have $250, they have $500, they have $1,000, which is the one I actually subscribe to. They have $2,500 and $5,000. Okay, now whichever package you decide to choose out of all this package here, you'll be earning up to 5% of your total package weekly. Okay, let me quickly show you that. As you can see here, this is it here. You will start earn up to 5% weekly. Okay, and you'll be earning this money for 52 weeks, which is 1 year. Right? So you see, you must have doubled your total investment and made a whole lot. Let me also show you something else that you need to know about this project. As you can see here, as you can see up here, you can see 7 months high power. Sorry, let me quickly take out. This. You can see this 7 month high power signal. Now, if you subscribe to this $1,000, you'll be getting free Forex and crypto signal for 7 months. Aside you taking this 5% weekly and 20% monthly, you'll still be getting free signal for 7 months. If you do this 500, you'll be getting free signal of Forex and crypto for 5 months. If you do this $250, you'll be getting free crypto and free signal, Forex signal for 3 months. Now, let me quickly show you their Forex signals. If you come down here, okay, you click on this Forex signal, is going to take you. Now, I'm going to be dropping a link to this website right below this video. Now, if you click on that link, it's the first link in the description of the video, okay? Click on that link, and that link will bring you here, and you'll be able to register and also have access to the website, okay? So you can see these are the free signals that they actually give. Now, if you go out to pay for signal, you know people charge $100, $150, $500 monthly to give signals. Now, you can see they give this signal other USD. They ask you to buy. Okay, that's 29 minutes ago. You say, I can see GBP, JPY 1 hour ago. They asked you to buy. So they also give free Forex signals. Okay, after you must have subscribed to any of their packages that they actually have. Okay, so aside you taking that 5% weekly and 20% monthly, you still have access to that. Okay, so it's a very profitable website. It's a very profitable package. It's a very profitable project that a whole lot of guys are jumping on. Okay, this is safe because you can actually see that these guys are trading. They are not just giving stories that they are trading. After 1 month or 2 months, they go off business and they rock pull and steal people's money. Okay, this is something that is very visible to you. You can see that these guys are trading. Now, you might want to ask, who are the guys behind this video, of this project? Okay, the name of the CEO is actually called John